Welcome! In front of me I have OPPO Reno5 and today I will show you face unlock test. We are going to check how this biometric settings works on this smartphone. So let's make the first try and check if I'm sitting in a good position. Yeah, I am. Okay, so let's try our test. Let's make 10 tries. Whoa! As you can see, it works really fast. I think it's the same speed like on Xiaomi Mi 11. Whoa, it's really fast. Guys, what can I say? It's so damn fast and it works every time. So definitely good point for the smartphone, and the same for the fingerprint sensor. As you can see, it also unlocks our smartphone really fast. I think that the face unlock is slightly faster, but this smartphone is really good when you are talking about face unlock and the fingerprint sensor. So if you found this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.